Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have some things to do. One of them is I have to disassemble the pallet sitting here next to me on the floor. So I'm going to hit that one first because it's going to open up the floor the best. Nice having a 10-foot ceiling. This 8-foot pallet handling right around in here in the room. We're going to do this different. I'm going to use a 3-pound engineer's hammer to knock these boards loose off the pallet. Well, that's one way to get it. About bite it. Try going this way. Might work better. There we go. Disassemble. Well, it still has a bunch of nails in it, but it's in smaller pieces. The idea is I'm going to take those 1x4s, cut them up even smaller on the chop saw, and make shelf boards out of them. Because over there by the door is the 2 top rails for that rack over there. And that'll take care of that one. So I have a use for the boards. I'll get those cut up. That'll be smaller, won't be sitting out in the yard. Life's gonna be good. Did you ever do something and think to yourself there's a better way? Instead of having that on the workmate, I should have had it on 2 sawhorses. That way I could have set the sawhorses between the boards, knocked them right off both sides. They would have stayed up, no problem at all. Easy work. Learn that, do that the next time. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.